Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I am going to explain the latest update about Accenture pre-assessment results and the Primer Learning Orientation mail. If you are recently appeared for the assessment or waiting for the results, this information is important for you because it covers results, eligibility, and what you should do next. Accenture has started releasing the pre-assessment results in phases. Candidates who did not clear the MCQ round have already begun receiving their results, and now even those who passed MCQ but failed in the hands on round or Viva rounds are also getting their updates. The key thing to understand here is that the passing criteria is stage wise, meaning you must score at least 60% in each section individually. Even if you perform well in one section but failed in another one, your final results will still be marked as failed. Since the rollout is happening in the phases, if you haven't received your results yet, there is no need to worry and you should be wait patiently. The result mail clearly mentions whether you have met the qualification criteria or not. If you did not qualify, it will instruct you to proceed with the primer learning in your assigned skill. This means instead of moving forward in the hiring process, you will now be guided into a training phase where you will continue your learning based on your assigned domain. The scores shown in the mail represents your performance in different sections, and even if one section is below the required threshold, the overall results become unsuccessful. Along with the results, many candidates are receiving an invitation for the Accenture Primer Learning Orientation section. This mail is being sent to both candidates who failed the MCQ round and those who failed in the later stages like hands-on or Viva. Interestingly, some candidates are even receiving this orientation mail before their final results are declared, which means this session is an important for next step regardless of your result status. The orientation section is scheduled for May 14th at 12 p.m. and will be conducted through Microsoft Teams. The mail will explain the objectives of Premier Learning Program, demonstrate how the learning platform works, and provide clarity on the training structure. There will also be a QA session where you can clear your doubts. It is clearly mentioned that your presence is important and you should join the meeting at least 5 minutes before the scheduled time. After attending the orientation, candidates will most likely receive access to the training platform along with necessary resources such as VM setup modules and learning materials. This phase is focused on improving your skills and preparing you for the further opportunities. So it is important to actively participate and follow the instructions provided during the session. There are strict rules regarding the session. You are not allowed to record, take screenshots, or share any content from the orientation on the social media. It is advised to regularly check your email for updates, attend the sessions on time, and make full use of the QA session to clarify any doubts. Staying updated and following instructions carefully will help you move forward without missing any important steps. So this was the complete update regarding the Accenture pre-assessment results and the primer learning orientation. Make sure you stay updated with your emails and don't miss the session. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching.